3, 2, 1. Hi guys, so right now anyway, so right now I'll just sit. I'm going to Tanisha's house and this is what I'm wearing. So what I'm wearing is basically my jersey t-shirt. Fun fact, I played basketball like district level in the 7th and 8th grade. I'm flexing. Actually, it's not that big of a deal, but let me enjoy my bare minimum achievements in life. Okay, right now I'm gonna go take a bath because I have to reach Tanisha's house at 3. It's currently 1:20 or something, I don't know, but yeah, it has been 5 minutes and I'm still checking my phone. Drop a like. For 1 like equals 1 motivation for me to stop using my phone. Hi guys, and now I'm done with my little bath thingy, so I'm gonna go and apply this moisturizer because like dry skin problems, I have to, or my skin will become like all flaky and dry and just this just fell. Don't even know what it's like. Stop it. I'll try to not mess this up. Watch. Bye. Hello, I'm back and I got ready and stuff. Now I'm going to Tanisha's house. I'm sorry I couldn't vlog it before because like I was in a hurry. I'm always late like everywhere, and I'm also late at Tanisha's house. Okay, also really off topic, but like I'm so curious to see how many people dislike this video because like, you know, like first video nervousness and stuff, my self-esteem is not ready for that, but please don't. No, actually I'm just kidding. You know what, dislike it if you want and drop hate comments if you want because why not, haters. Okay, so coming to the disliking video like thing that goes around, so you know, like lately there were a few videos, like you all know what videos I'm talking about, like people were on a disliking spree. Like there were a few videos that came on YouTube that got the most dislikes or something, and I honestly do not get the point of it. Like this, like YouTube doesn't give 2 rabbit ears about whether you like the video or dislike the video. It's the view that counts, okay? And you're giving them that. Same goes for me. Haters, they'll think y'all are smart. I am double smart. Like y'all think y'all are disliking the video, bro. My family has already destroyed my self-esteem. There's nothing left. What? No. Tell me, what will you destroy? I don't know. I don't even know who I'm talking to, but. Hi, so I'm finally at Tanisha's house, and guess who this is?
Scaring me, bro.
She is being bullied. To do this with me.
Messing up fully.
Bro. Wifey material? No. I don't think so.
Oh god.
Tanisha, bro, this is me. Like, I haven't told them only what I'm doing today. So today, for our video, we are doing this Jolo chip. We're gonna eat a Jolo chip. That's why, like, you know, we're doing all this itna mehnat for like milk and like I got ice cream and all. It's gonna be bad. Hey, now your wifey material. She made it dirty. She's cleaning it also.
Yeah, I always clean up my mess, bitch.
She cleans up my mess also sometimes.
I'm always cleaning up Archit's messes.
Yeah, she is the mom friend.
Mom.
Purely. My second mom. She is.
My mind out. I'm damn scared. I have this arena also. Let's go. You take the bowl and take the milks. It's happening.
Okay, how do?
Hey, it's Alino. And you're watching the Alino show. The Ali show. Ali show. Ah, that sounds nice.
It would be better if my name was Alicia.
Yeah.
Yeah, my parents.
Change your name. Change it.
Okay, wait. Let's tell them what we're doing in this video first.
You tell
so,
them. I'm sitting.
Okay, so basically we're gonna eat Jolo chip.
Really? I'm gonna die.
Yeah, so we're gonna have this Jolo chip, and then there is ice cream and milk and all. Because we will die. We'll run and clean our hands after this.
Okay.
Like we just go and we'll wash it. Okay, fatafa.
Okay.
Stop. Okay, on the packet here it says
Jolo chip.
Last chip chal
challenge.
lenge.
Challenge chalenge.
I thought it looked like chal.
And black deadly chip inside. It's black.
No, it's not black.
And then behind over here it says, eat at your own risk, not for the faint of heart. Not everyone will enjoy the extreme heat. Keep out of reach for children. I'm scared.
So you open it and this is what it looks like inside.
They said to keep away from children. You're not allowed to do this.
See, this is how they bully me all the time.
Now inside, any last words the Reaper's waiting. Alina, what the hell are you making me do? Fear the pepper.
Any last words?
I'm opening it.
Subscribe to my channel, please. If I die, at
What's
least
the
I'll die with
smell?
more subscribers. You open it alright. Listen, don't touch it. Like make sure you don't. Listen, okay.
It touched the masala already. Let's to open it.
Yeah.
You opened it Sida in your mouth and telling me don't touch it.
Listen, I felt the masala in my mouth.
Is it strong?
Yeah. Open now for me. No,
There's something inside. Wait, should I remove it here?
I remove it.
There's something.
Oh, that's a black chip. Oh, it's a whole chip. It's black. They made it black.
Dude, I'm eating only one piece.
No. Okay, wait. So can you open mine? This is what it looks like. It is scary. It really is scary.
Masala's all over my hands. I'm gonna die. I can't touch my eyes and I keep rubbing my eyes. Don't let me.
Zoom zoom girl.
I'm gonna
Don't even think about it.
Don't do it.
I'm so scared of this shit. It's not even funny.
Have you seen other people do this challenge?
Yeah.
We don't
But
eat
they have
it.
a
We
good
don't
spice tolerance. So we have to eat all of it.
No, I'm not eating all of it. This much is enough.
Okay, fine.
I can't.
Can.
Should I take a small bite first?
No. Eat it. We have to eat it the whole thing together. Okay.
Cheers.
One.
I can't. Listen, I can't.
Listen.
I feel like I'm going to prank me.
Tanisha, promise, yaar.
You're going to prank me. I don't trust you.
My face looks like a prank me.
I don't know. I'm getting scared.
3.
I can't.
Tanisha, come on. Okay. 3.
What does it say? Post it. Okay. Why the fuck is yours smaller?
3.
No, I can't. Okay, I'll do it, but you have to promise.
I
me.
promise. Listen, I won't do anything like that. I'm not so bad.
Okay, fine.
Okay. 3, 2, 1, and it goes in the mouth.
Okay, fine.
3, 2, 1. Listen, no. Wait, no, you can't drink it now.
Alina, I can't.
What is happening in my mouth?
I've given up. I'm done.
You know what? I have a lot of musty, so I'm gonna eat this one more. I'm done.
Everything's hurting.
Oh my god. Where's the hand wash? Is that?
Yeah.
What on planet Earth? Okay, no, I can't. How are you?
I took a bite of ice cream.
Dude, it's burning my throat.
Have milk. You'll feel better. Trust me, I felt a lot better.
Okay.
The thing is, initially it doesn't feel like it's that bad, but then after you swallow it, that remaining spice in your
the
mouth.
spice at first it tastes like Doritos and
Yeah.
then later on it's the freaking masala, bro. It has too much musty.
I think I'm better now.
I think I'm recovering.
Yeah. The good thing about it is the effect is not too long. Like it's burning, but it's not.
Apparently, I've seen a few videos and they say that the effect starts after 5 minutes. So, my throat.
Good night, R.I.P. Whichever ghost.
I'm dead.
You should do this. Alina, why are you crying? Oh my god, guys, look at her. Wait a minute.
Look at her. She's crying.
Actually, now I'm ready to take another bite. Please.
Chotu sa bite she's taking.
Listen, please. Same amount is left, huh? My first bite was bigger.
Kya?
Fuck. Why do I agree to do this crap?
Why did I plan on doing this? Your sneeze is so cute.
Thank you.
Bro, I sneeze. It's embarrassing. Listen, why is this not?
It's not going for some reason. Alina. Yeah, I get you. So the list is Agastya, Tanisha, Alina, Dave in terms of spice tolerance. Again, you're crying.
It is watering.
It looked little nice. So
Yeah. She have Sanyo Mirwani.
it's very spicy or what?
No.
Take one bite first.
Yeah.
It's spicy.
You have to eat the whole thing. Eat it.
It's fine. Okay, it's very
How is the spice tolerance?
Hers is good. No, it's not
decent,
but it's like mine.
This Dudu's also so bad. I don't like this. I don't want to play this game. I don't like it. This is very spicy.
Dude, I don't think my spice tolerance is that bad after all now. Alina, please.
No, like I don't think I honestly thought that like I'll just die like right here. Like right here, I'll just die.
Oh my god, look at me.
She just straight up looks hot.
Okay, guys. Thank you so much. My confidence has gone up.
Okay, thank you guys for watching.
Thank you.
Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Subscribe. If you don't, it's fine.
No. Subscribe.
Okay, do it, please.
For the pretty makeup.
Yeah, just do it. Then it'll motivate me to make more videos because I really want to. Bye! And so, oh wait, subscribe to Tanisha also. And bye-bye.